Hi guys, I'm Aryan.
And I'm Anish. And welcome to the Kids Food Lab. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies.
Something nice and simple for our first YouTube video. Be sure to have an adult supervisor when working with the stove or an oven. We got the recipe from a blog called JoyFoodSunshine. The link is in the description below.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
The ingredients are 2 eggs, 128 grams of butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of chocolate chips, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and 3 cups of flour. First thing you need to do is lay your tray with parchment paper. Then you need to preheat your
Wait!
to what?
There's some baking thingies in there.
Oh, silly me. I'll pull them out. Let's put these here. And then always remember to make sure your oven is empty before you turn it on or do anything with it. So as I was saying, you preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius.
Mix the baking powder, baking soda, and salt into the flour.
Put the butter and both of the sugars, the white one and the brown one, into a large mixing bowl, and then you'll have to cream them together until it's combined. After it's combined like this, you put in the eggs and the vanilla essence and mix them together. Why is it working? Next you have to add in the dry ingredients like the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder and the salt into the sugar, butter, eggs and vanilla essence and mix them. Once you've mixed in all the ingredients, it should look something like this. And then you pour in all the chocolate chips and mix it well with the dough.
Yeah.
all mixed in like this, grab some, not too much though, roll it into a ball and flatten it like this. Keep on making until all your dough is done. Once you finish shaking your cookies like this, put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you put one tray at a time so it cooks evenly. Wait, that's minutes. We finished making our cookies and all in all we made about 60. We learned that
Not to put them too close together, they'll expand and they'll stick together.
we also learned that we should make them all around the same size and shape so they all cook evenly.
Remember not to make the cookies too thick, if not it'll take a longer time to cook.
We added 2 more minutes to Laura's time because it was underdone. Now let's taste it. This one's good. This was supposed to be a recipe of chewy chocolate chip cookies, and that's exactly what it was. We followed the recipe. The recipe had simple ingredients and it was easy for all of us to follow. I think you guys should try it and I'm pretty sure you'll like it. Thank you, Laura, for this awesome recipe.